So guys, we've not talked about Remitano on this our channel before, so but this is gonna be one of the first videos we're putting out for Remitano. So we got this mail about 4 days back, and it says here that there's a $5,000 USDT prize giveaway on a Remitano platform, and it's applicable for people in India, Kenya, Malaysia, Nigeria, and South Africa. So these are the 5 countries that are eligible for these offers. So all you need to do is that it said it's only applied to transactions via your Fiat wallet. So for Nigeria's Fiat wallet, that's in Naira. Then for South Africa, I think South Africa is rands. Then India is rupees, and Kenya, then we have Malaysia too. So this update is currently going on for, I think, is for a long time. It's going to be on for a long time because we got a similar mail while the number was for 262, but now it's 367, 347, as you can see on my screen here. So it says from 28th June 2021, we had 347. Okay, there's a mini game with total of 1,757 comments. So guys, let's click on this join now, so you see the full details on what this whole mini game update and giveaways. So the thing about Remitano is that unlike some other platforms, the okay, wait, it says, let me see what's this. So the app come as requested certificates. We let the app use the identity servers now in future. The app as you should only give app access to the certificate. Okay. Uh, let me cancel. Let me cancel. So, guys, sorry for that delay. So the thing is that uh, as regards Remitano, the barrier of signing up on Remitano and other exchanges is kind of very easy. It's kind of very low. So it's a platform that you need to have hand in hand. So aside you having your Binance account, you can also open a Remitano account. I think it's the platform is the ease of navigation on the platform is very easy. It's very easy. It's very easy. It's not complicated as with most platforms. See, at the moment, the only way to own Redneck is to mine. Okay, I'll be coming to this other update on Remitano, but let's look at this post here. Let me close this. So, guys, this is it says now you have the opportunity to earn free crypto from your successful transaction via Fiat wallet on a Remitano P2P exchange. Said 5,000 USDT in total price is up for grabs, and these are the countries that are eligible for these offers. So, it seems that these are mostly third world countries. Okay, so he said 100 lucky unique users who have 4 last digits in their trade referrals that are identical to the minimum gap difference on BTC price on Bitsmap exchange at 12 August 3rd are equally divided the on August 3rd are equally divided the total price level unlocked. So what's going to happen is that they are going to be giving out USD to 100 people whose referral transaction codes on their fiat transactions tally with the current BTC price. So as I've recorded this video, BTC is about $34,000 and some fractions. So if your referral code in your for every transaction you make, you get a reference code. So if it meets it up, that's what you're going to be doing. So let's not make this video long. Kindly subscribe. I'll be dropping the links to this whole update so you can check it up. But there are so many chances of getting free USDT on this platform. I've tested it, and something you need to try. So guys, one love is your bike keys. Don't forget to use the link in the description box below. It will give you a instant discount house access on this platform. So guys, peace out. One love.